Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. My name is Amir Shahzad and you are watching Amir Shahzad YouTube channel. Today my video is a question answer which one today morning someone comments on my YouTube channel. They ask me how we can do a level work with the total station if we have only 1 point. In this case we can have two types of points. For example, one we have a station elevation and one is some other area like a backside some point. So how we can proceed this method in total station like a TS09 plus. So this will be explained today. So here I have a Leica total station Flexline TS09 plus, and here is the first display when we power on the instrument. So for that one, for example, if I have a point on the station elevation, so in this case what I will do, roughly I already set my instrument on the point and this my measurement is from this point. So what I will do first, I have to check my height of instrument if I have a level of this point. In this case I just assume the any elevation, I can say it's 100 or something else. So what I will do first, I need to check my height of instrument from the point to the instrument, and this height will be measured up to this point. This point are marked in the both side of this total station as you can see here. So let's see how we can check the height of instrument first of all. So from the points we can measure this overall height from our showing points. So height, here I already measured before, which points disturbed. So I height from here is 1.604. So I already write on my paper same height 1.604 as you can see on the paper. So we will proceed how we can do the level work when we have a station points. So first of all we have to set our instrument. I already set a little bit disturb our bubble, so I will fix first this one. So after fixing the bubble I can say F4 for continue, and then what I have to do, I need to go in a quick survey with the pressing button 1. So I'm enter the quick survey, then I have to use F4 key 1 time, 2 times, and then I can find the station. So I'll press F1 for the station, and here I can give the instrument station ID. I can say A, this is a roughly name, and then I put the height of instrument which I already measured. This value is 1.604. Then I'll come downside and here I will put something height. What this height should be, we have a known point. For example, I can say this height is the 100. I'll press OK, and then when I press F4, that's mean our instrument height is fixed with the point what we know the elevation known point on the same station coordinate, station level. So I'll press F4 for continue. So here we have an instrument already set with the elevation. So once I measure on the points on the ground, the all elevation based on this station elevation all will be I can measure. So here I have a target which one I already set, and this prism height is 1.3 meter. So for known this elevation, what is the elevation now on the ground, I will press F2 for distance with the quick survey, or I can check in the go to the survey, but I'm doing all this work on the same place. I'll press F4, and here I have a display measure and distance. If I need to record, I'll press F1 for measure and F2 for the distance. So I'll press F2 for distance. First of all, I'll focus my target, and then I'll press the F2 key for the distance. So after focusing my target, I'll simply press F2. I'll press F2, and then I use this arrow key for going down. This is the setting of my display which I explained in my second last video. You can watch there how we can set our page display. So here we have a elevation on the target 100.003. It's mean the difference between this station point and the backside is only 3 milli. So this is the first case how we can check the elevation, ground elevation, and whatever we need with when we have a known point as a station elevation. So in this case we already know if we have a point on some different place where we cannot fix the instrument, or otherwise if we have a place where we do the work is a different place. So if we need to other point like a backside, so what we will do, simply same method, same in the quick survey, what we will do. In first option we already discussed if we have a station coordinate, and then we can check over a backside or other points based on the station elevation. If we have a coordinate or not, only elevation if we know, then we can check all area with the station elevation plus height of instrument, and then fix the target backside or what we have a known four sides. So second case, if we have a other point where we cannot fix our instrument, in this case what we will do now, on the based on the last experiment, we know our station height is 100, our backside is 100.003 I think. So we have a 3 milli difference between these 2 points. So in this case we have a known point as a backside. So what we will do, we repeat this same method, only change the height. So let's come see on the instrument. So what I will do, I go again in the quick survey and then the station, and here I give the elevation. Last time we give the station height 100 on the last experiment, and we find a difference on the point 3 milli. So in this case, if we for example I give 99 for example only for experiment, and press OK for the continue, and then I'll check the what is the position now, and you can find now is showing the 99.003. It's mean if we change our instrument height 1 meter more, we can get the same elevation what we checked before, 100.003. So what I will do, why I am doing this one, in case if we don't, we will change this elevation of instrument until we get the same elevation for the backside which we have a known point. So I will repeat again, go to the station and then change the height, and this all I'm changing the height on the station. So I'll say 100 like what we done in the before. I'll press OK and then continue, and then I'll check again my backside the elevation, and now you can see we find 100.003 what we check in the first experiment. So this is the way how we check the elevation when we have only one known point. That known point we can use as a station point. In this case, if we use as a station point, then we put the station height and give the same elevation. Or if we use that point as a backside, that case we will fix backside and only change the instrument point elevation. We are not changing any height of instrument or target height. Reflector height should be the same, height of instrument fixed. But what we will do, second case we change only the height of the point where we are fixed the elevation. So this is the two way how we can set our instrument when we have only 1 point elevation. This is a question which one somebody asked me on my YouTube channel. Hopefully I clear the answer, and if you have any doubt regarding this video or my other video, please ask me in the comments. I will try my best to give you a perfect answer. So second thing, if you like this video, please share to other people, and also don't forget to subscribe my channel and also hit the bell icon, then you can get all notification when I'm uploading my new videos. And finally, thanks for watching my video and take care. Allah Hafiz.